If you want to make SurveyMonkey responses anonymous, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact settings you need to turn on. This is especially helpful if you're collecting feedback, running employee surveys, or asking for honest opinions and you want respondents to feel safe and untracked. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable anonymous responses in SurveyMonkey in just a few clicks. If this guide helps you, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the survey you want to edit. If you already have a survey created, click into that survey so you can access its settings. This step is important because anonymous response settings are tied to the specific survey, not your account in general. After you open the survey, go to the Publish section. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you manage how your survey is shared and collected. Depending on your layout, you may see different menu options, but the goal is to get into the survey's collection settings. From there, find and click Edit Settings. This is where the privacy and the response options are stored. Now, inside the settings panel, look for anonymous responses. This is the key option you need to change if you want people to submit answers without their identity being attached. Click on anonymous responses to open the available privacy choices. SurveyMonkey will usually explain what this setting does so you can confirm you're choosing the right option. Next, turn anonymous responses on by selecting the option that says On. Your respondents will be anonymous. Once you enable this, SurveyMonkey will stop collecting identifiable respondent information for that survey collection. That means the answers will be treated as anonymous, which is ideal when you want more honest and unbiased feedback. Before you finish, take a moment to review the rest of your survey settings. Sometimes other options like email invitations, custom links, or tracking features can affect how much respondent information is collected. If your goal is complete anonymity, make sure your distribution method also matches that goal. For example, be careful with features that may track recipients through personalized invitations or embedded identifiers. After you've confirmed everything looks right, save or exit the settings so your anonymous configuration stays active. At this point, your SurveyMonkey responses should now be set to anonymous for that survey. You can share the survey link with confidence knowing respondents are more likely to answer openly and honestly. And that's it. You've now learned how to make SurveyMonkey responses anonymous. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.